Blocking and unblocking pop-ups in Safari on your iPhone 15 allows you to control your browsing experience by managing potentially intrusive or unwanted pop-up windows. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Safari. While in the Safari settings, scroll down to the General section. Find the Block Pop-ups option and tap on the toggle switch next to it. If you want Safari to block pop-ups, simply tap to turn the switch on or green. If you want Safari to allow pop-ups, tap to turn the switch off or gray. Once you're done making changes to the Safari settings, you can head back to the home screen. This feature on your iPhone 15 gives you control over your web browsing experience in Safari. Blocking pop-ups can help prevent unwanted advertisements and potential security risks, while disabling the feature might be necessary for certain websites that use pop-ups for legitimate purposes. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.